Okay, today I want to talk about that blue is the new white. What happens is that in previous century, in the 20th century, people were categorized that all the people working in the offices doing the clerical job, they are the white collars, and then those people who are working as a plumber, who are working as a technician, who is working as a cook, or maybe who is working as a constructor as a labor, then that person was categorized as a blue collar job. Well, I believe that in terms of when it comes to work, then all the people are equal. If a doctor is doing his job, if a labor working in some construction company, or a carpenter, all of us are playing our own roles. But something has changed over the years. Previously people used to think that these carpenters, these plumbers are not paid that much. This is job of something which need musculation, which need muscles, and which needs these kind of characteristics. Well, thanks to artificial intelligence, thanks to machine learning, thanks to modernization in the technology, these days the blue collar people are not required to be that much muscular. There are machines which help them in doing the things in better way using their less energy. So all the time in the blue collar job, it is required that they need to be smart people. They need to be able to use the machines. Now all the blue collar people can use the machines. And now coming towards the future, as 5G will be there will be Internet of Things, and there will be the thinking, the creative people, the imagination, and the people who are on the work, who do the practice, who do the things, they are most of the time more imaginative. Let's say if you are project director and you want some efficiency in the project, and if you think on your own and then you come up with an idea, chances are that your idea will not be better than the person who is working in the field. They know that what are the things which are hindering the performance, what are the things which can improve the performance. So in the future, the blue collar people now all the time have the opportunity to learn new skills. They can go online, they can learn the new skills, and they can earn more money. They are making the companies, the technicians, the people who are doing who are in the blue collar jobs are working as the white collar jobs. So this is what I wanted to share, that the blue is the new white. So you need to respect all those people who are doing the work in this category, and in future we need these people, and this thing will get better. And then at the end of the day, we will have the no difference between blue collar and the white collar, and then there will be the machines and there will be the humans. There will be those people who have the creativity, who have the imagination, who are giving the direction, and then there will be those people or those robots who will be doing the repetitive tasks, who will be doing the muscular tasks. So all the people who are not dealing with this industry, the trade industry, these kind of things, I would recommend that come to this side. In future, this is gonna be the new white. If you like this thing, please share it with others, so that all the people who are doing blue collar job, they should investigate, they should learn the new things, and then they should improve their life, and they should be able to learn more. And this is what must be taught in our institutions, in our universities, in our colleges. Thank you so much.